Hi, my name is Christian with American Router Services. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace a Moen shower diverter cartridge. That was the old cartridge. It came out from here. I used a special tool. Let me see what it is. I used a Moen puller to pull it out. There was a pin right here that I removed before I pull out the cartridge. It basically stays right here. Once we remove the old cartridge, I have a new one. Slide this back in. I put some plumbing grease so it can slide easier. And this pin goes right on the top right here. There you go. Okay, so we have the cartridge installed already. Then we have to put this cardboard here. Just push it in. Then grab the handle. Put the screw in. Tighten it with the screwdriver. And then this cover on the top. So we have a working shower right now.